Namaste, welcome back to my channel Think India. If you are new here, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. I post videos on Indian culture, crafts and cuisine. The chilling winters are here and it's time to warm up with some hot soups. So today in Think India Kitchen, let's make tomato shorba. Shorba comes from Arabic word for soup and it's originated from the Middle East. Traditionally, shorba is made out of meat, but today we are going to make out of tomatoes and spices, which is going to be a perfect wintertime comforting food. Shorba is not thick in consistency like a soup. It's a bit thinner in consistency and it's served as an accompaniment for main course. So let's go ahead and make the flavorful tomato shorba. We need 6 ripe tomatoes. Coming to the spices, we need cinnamon, black peppercorns, bay leaves, coriander seeds, cumin, cardamom and fennel seeds. We also need coriander, ginger and garlic and mint. Turmeric and salt to taste and oil. First let's go ahead and crush the spices. I always do it because the spices develop their aroma best when they are crushed. They release their fresh flavors and oils. You'll really notice the difference in the taste. It's a little effort in a mortar and pestle, but the results are amazing. Take out the ground spices in a plate and keep aside. Now it's time to crush the ginger and garlic. Do not make into a paste, just lightly crush and keep them coarse. Now take out the ginger and garlic, then keep it aside. Now let's go ahead and make the shorba. Take a large pot, add 2 teaspoons of oil, add the bay leaves and the crushed spices. Saute the spices on low heat so that they don't get burnt. Now add the crushed ginger and garlic. Then add coriander and mint. Use only a sprig of mint so that it doesn't dominate the flavors of other spices. Then add turmeric, tomatoes and salt. Now add 500 milliliters of water. Cover and simmer the mixture for at least 20 to 30 minutes until the tomatoes have softened and the aromas are infused. Now pass the shorba through a strainer. With the help of a wooden spoon and light pressure, separate the solid parts from the liquid. All the flavors are infused into the shorba and it will be an excellent accompaniment. Serve hot with some chopped coriander and croutons. And how easy was that? The spices used in the shorba are extremely beneficial to health because of their immune boosting properties. They also have thermogenic properties which balances your body temperature. So try it out, stay healthy and safe. Hope you like the recipe. When yes, like, share it with your friends and please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time, Namaste.